Welcome to the complete user walkthrough for Waya FnO. Before you subscribe, this is your first screen. Simply scroll down to our exited calls to verify our past performance. When you subscribe, you unlock the full command center. What you see here are the trade cards. Each recommendation is a card showing the recommended stock. Pay close attention to the action zone. Active means you are clear to enter. Hold means the price moved, so do not take new entries. Exit means close your position immediately. The options section covers intraday and BTST with an explicit focus on high-impact Hero Zero trades. To trade successfully, follow our core rules. New users should try with one lot until they get the confidence. Follow strict stop loss unless we notify you to hold. Remember, we may also exit trades early based on market conditions. In FnO, speed is everything. Copy the stock name directly into your broker's app to expedite execution. Paste it instantly to find the contract and trade. Entry and exit updates will reach you via app notifications and WhatsApp. Tap the hamburger menu for more features or check the notifications page to review all previous alerts 24/7. Look forward to having you as a believer. Thank you.